Adam from Blue Star Truck Accessories. Today, we're going to be installing a grill sent to us by American Modified Off-Road. They have a wide variety of different grills for trucks. They look pretty cool. Let's unbox it, see what it looks like. This particular grill is for a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Custom Trail Boss. Looks like some good packaging. Keep it nice and safe. This particular grill has some off-road clearance lights and looks like a light bar down here. Nice glossy finish. You can also get it without this or without these. I mean, they have a lot of different options. Pretty simple wiring. Looks like on the back. Let's see what else they come with. They do come with looks like some detailed instructions. Color, that's always nice to have color instructions, not a QR code that you're scanning. We'll see what it looks like on the truck. So overall, came out pretty good. That nice glossy finish on there actually has a spot where you can put the Z71 badge. The lights came on pretty bright. We also have one for the LT, the other Trail Boss of the same year. And this one right here, I might as well show this one to you. Pretty much same setup, just different style because of the different style front grille. And like I said, they have a bunch of different options for all kinds of different trucks. Like the F-150s, they have like 20 different grills in some years. So, looks like it has those little side guys that go on over the headlights. So pretty much same thing. You got your clearance lights and you got your light bar. I like that they give you the clips that go in. You don't have to transfer them over. That's a nice feature. But yeah, check them out, American Modified Off-Road. If this is something you're looking to get done, modifying your truck or doing different grills, different lights, give us a call at 469-638-6828. Visit us online at www.bluestartruck.com or stop on in at 181 South McKinley Street in Prosper, Texas. Blue Star Truck Accessories. Have a good one, y'all.